This repair video for the P0455 error code is specifically tailored for Kia's drivers. If your Kia is showing a P0455 code, this is for you. It means the evaporative emissions the system is now detected with a gross leak, and it's normally more than 0.04 inches in diameter. Under this circumstance, distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: gas cap issues, EVAP hoses, purge valve, fuel tank damage, fuel tank pressure sensor. Here are two simple DIY methods you can try to solve this problem. Method A, the gas cap. Open up your gas tank and inspect the cap condition. Spray clean the gas tank with a WD-40 cleaner first. Check to see if the gas cap also gets dirty. You can use the WD-40 cleaner to wipe it clean as well. Otherwise, you may replace it with a correct model gas cap. Method B, the canister purge valve. For demonstration purposes, we have removed the canister purge valve before filming. But you should locate this component in your car while the engine is still running. And place your finger at the vacuum port to check its functionality. If your finger experiences vacuum stuckage, it means the canister purge valve is stuck and needs to be replaced. Simply take the used canister and purge valve off and replace it with the correct new one. This engine code can appear in many different car models, including Chevys, Toyotas, Fords, Nissans, and Hyundais. So here are two of the most practical solutions to fix the P0455 error code in Kia vehicles. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe us for more updates. Thanks for watching.